Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back. So yeah, I've been buying a lot of summer clothes, so we're back with another haul again from Asos, okay? Because I love Asos a lot, and I actually don't do try on hauls as often as I shop. Like, I shop a lot, and then like normally I just start wearing everything and then I forget to film, but I'm trying really hard to film as many try on hauls as possible. So I'm back. This is like my 4th video of the day. I'm so tired. I just turned off the AC, so I'm about to sweat my you know what off, but we're gonna do it. Let's do it. First piece is a dress. Let's see if it fits, because I'm not sure. It says resort. Oh, this is from River Island, and this is a size, I think I got a 22, a US 22. Let's see. Polka dot dress, but it's like a rusty pastel rust color polka dot. Really cute. It has a smocked back, so it is stretchy in the back, but the entire dress itself is not stretchy. It has a slight stretch, but it looks really big, so I'm thinking it's gonna fit. It does have adjustable straps. It has buttons down the front, so let's see how it looks. So I definitely think that I could have gotten my regular size. It is quite big. You can see there's a lot of space. But I think it's so cute for the days that you're just like, oh, I just want to wear something comfortable, want to be, you know, it's hot outside, like I just want to wear something cute and comfy and just throw something on. This is a really great option. For me, because of my hips, it does make me look bigger. That's just something I have to deal with. I did have to adjust the straps a lot because it was quite loose and quite low. But this is so cute with the little tie here and then the buttons. And I love the color. I wonder how it looks with a belt. So I think it looks way cuter with the belt. I feel like the black is a little bit too harsh. Maybe with a brown belt or a white belt might look a little bit better, but I think it's super cute with the belt. It's what I needed. But this material is so comfortable. It's so lightweight. This is just a great option. I'll probably wear this to the farmer's market. I'll probably be wearing this to the farmer's market on Saturday, okay? Get ready. So yeah, definitely get your regular size. I think I could have gotten my regular size. But isn't this adorable? I love it. So this next piece, I did size up once. So I got a 22 because I wanted it to be a little bit on the bigger side, and it fits exactly how I expected. Again, if I was wearing a bra, I'm not wearing a bra right now, but if I was, it would look a little bit better. But just for YouTube, I'm trying not to show anything, so yeah. So it is a bit big in the back for me because it is a size bigger, but I feel like I need that extra room for my booty, and it's perfect. This looks so good on me, honestly. Like, it's so flattering. I do have to get it hemmed. It's a little bit long. It needs about an inch or 2 of a hem, and it's straight leg, which I love. It's just so nice. It's that stretchy woven material, pockets, tie, v-neck. It's like I couldn't have designed it better myself. It's literally perfect. Everybody needs a jumpsuit like this in their closet that they can throw on when they really like have no idea what to wear and you're not feeling your best. Sometimes you need those outfits that are like confident boosting when you don't feel like taking risks or you don't feel your best. Something like this, you throw it on, you put on some red lipstick, and you just feel like you're on, you know? This is so cute. And then in the fall, I can like dress it up with like a leopard print coat or duster, and this is so chic. Okay, so this next piece is a bikini top. It's this really pretty orange top. Is it supposed to have a tie? Maybe it is, maybe it's not. I don't know. I might put something there to like give it a little tie detail. So this is from the straight size section, and it was on sale for $8, and it's supposed to be a 36E cup, and it's really nice. It's like a super thick, stretchy kind of like bralette material, and I'm here for it. I like it. I got it to wear with a pair of striped swimsuit bottoms. I like that there's like a lot of coverage here, the back. It's kind of like a sports bra, you know. So the next thing I have here is a pair of shorts, and you guys know I'm on a shorts kick. I just bought a few other pairs from Asos, and this is another pair, obviously from Asos. They're pretty much like the same ones I have already, but this is a different brand and the waist is a little bit different. So I just wanted to see what it would look like. It's not as, the paper bag detailing is not as extreme as the other ones, and this one fits a little bit lower in the back, so it's not really high waist like the other ones. But again, just a nice option to have. You can wear, you know, shorts like this with so many different tops and bodysuits and cute blouses. I definitely think I'll be getting my wear out of these. It does have a nice stretchy waistband and this cute little tie detailing, a little bit of a paper bag detailing, nice pockets. It's comfortable. I think I also got a 22 in these. I also did a whole blog post with a bunch of favorite shorts that I found online, things that I bought, shorts that I found that I think are cute. I will link that down below. So the last thing we have here is this little bikini set. The top is too big. I'm gonna have to exchange it for a smaller size. I think I got, what size is this? Cool, this is made from recycled plastic bottles. Isn't that cool? The bottoms, I got a 22 and they fit really, really well. I love the ruffle detailing. There's a ruffle detailing all down the sides. I think it looks so cute, vintagey with the little ruffle and just a really cute bottom. I think I got a 20, but I think I need a 16 because this fits really big. Like, look, the straps won't even stay up, and then this part is really saggy because there's too much space. See how long it is? It's supposed to be up here and be tighter and kind of be snugger. So I need like 2 sizes smaller to give me that lift and that support. Although it looks kind of cute off the shoulder like this. Maybe I'll wear the smaller size like that as well, because I think it would look really cute like this more than it does like that. But I've been looking for a cute polka dot bikini set for so long, and I haven't been able to find like a classic one like this. So I'm really excited. Okay, guys, that was everything. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Again, everything that I showed you will be listed down below, if not something very similar. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.